Unlike trees or their roots, the rhizome connects any point to any other point, and its traits are not necessarily linked to traits of the same nature. It brings into play very different regimes of signs, and even non-sign states. The rhizome is reducible neither to the one nor the multiple. Unlike a structure, which is defined by a set of points and positions, with binary relations between the points and biunivocal relationships between the positions, the rhizome is made only of lines. Lines of segmentarity and stratification as its dimensions, and the line of flight or deterritorialization as the maximum dimension after which the multiplicity undergoes metamorphosis. Changes in nature.
These lines, or lineaments, should not be confused with lineages of the arborescent type, which are merely localizable linkages between points and positions. Unlike the tree, the rhizome is not the object of reproduction, neither external reproduction as image tree nor internal reproduction as tree structure. The rhizome is an anti-genealogy. It is a short-term memory, or anti-memory. The rhizome operates by variation, expansion, conquest, capture, offshoots. Unlike the graphic arts, drawing, or photography, unlike tracings, the rhizome pertains to a map that must be produced, constructed, a map that is always detachable, connectable, reversible, modifiable, and has multiple entryways and exits and its own lines of flight. It is tracings that must be put on the map, not the opposite.
In contrast to centered systems with hierarchical modes of communication and pre-established paths, the rhizome is an a-centered, non-hierarchical, non-signifying system without a general and without an organizing memory or central automaton, defined solely by a circulation of states. What is at question in the rhizome is a relation to sexuality, but also to the animal, the vegetal, the world, politics, the book. Things natural and artificial, that is totally different from the arborescent relation, all manner of becomings. Rhizomatics equals schizoanalysis equals stratoanalysis equals pragmatics equals micropolitics. These words are concepts, but concepts are lines, which is to say, number systems attached to a particular dimension of the multiplicities, strata, molecular chains, lines of flight or rupture, circles of convergence, etc. Nowhere do we claim for our concepts the title of a science. We are no more familiar with scientificity than we are with ideology. All we know are assemblages. And the only assemblages are machinic assemblages of desire and collective assemblages of enunciation.